What's up, Michael? Sarah Cornelia, the show's not gonna last much longer. I'm gonna have to end it here soon. I'm really feeling rough. I'll probably play a couple more songs and then get up out of here. Yeah, family went a full clip. Yeah, I'm feeling under the weather. I need to get some rest. I got a big day tomorrow. I got my son pulling up. My son coming through. I gotta shoot a little video. Hit me with a full clip. Alright guys, this is Jay Slow with a super skip. Thank you, Jay Slow. Just to let you know, you sent in the super skip so you get the promo package that comes along with it. And that includes an IG story post, a Facebook story post, a blog post on our official website. And we're going to send you a copy of that Artist Growth Kit. Let's go.
City's fading. I'm lost in my thoughts, serenading. The raindrops fall, gentle on my window pane. I find my peace again. It's the rhythm of the rain, my sweet lullaby. As it taps in my glass in the darkness. I'm lost, but I can't be found. It's the rhythm of the rain, will take flight. In the heart of the city, where the music flows, the DJ spins and the energy grows. With every drop that falls, a new story unfolds. Where old hearts are consoled. It's the rhythm of the rain, my sweet lullaby. As it taps on my glass in the darkness, we'll dance through the night in the neon light. It's the rhythm of the rain, we'll take flight. Rhythm of the rain. As the night turns to dawn, we'll keep dancing on. Our worries are gone in the rhythm of the rain. We'll find our release in the city of dreams, where the music won't cease. It's the rhythm of the rain, my sweet lullaby. As it taps on my glass in the darkness, we'll dance through the night in the neon light. It's the rhythm of the rain, we'll take flight. Rhythm of the rain. It's the rhythm of the rain.
Hey! Hey, good vibes, man. It's got some 1970s vibes going on, man.
It's the rhythm of the rain, my sweet lullaby. As it taps on my glass in the darkness, I'm lost, but I can't be found. It's the rhythm of the rain, we'll take flight.
It's a rhythm of the rain and it don't take flight. Do we have a Victor Tacoma in here? A Space Rhino? Yo, Jay Slow, man. Awesome vibe to kind of just put me just in a nice, like, meditative state, man. Like, I love what you doing it, man. I love what you doing it, man. You sounded like something. Hey, yo, B-Stick Benny, congratulations on all your success with the YouTube channel. I love to see it grow. Yo, B-Stick Benny, would you say that I was like somewhat of a mentor for you for content creation? If so, could I use you as a testimonial? Like, could I shout you out on my Facebook and say that somebody that I mentored with content creation hit 1,000 subs on YouTube? Somebody that I mentored with live streaming. Cause like I know I didn't like one-on-one mentor you like a whole lot, but I think maybe like you did ask me some questions and maybe I gave you some insight or something. I don't know, man. My memory's kind of shot, but either way, let me know. All right, Space Rhino and Victor Tacoma coming up. Yo, Jay Slow, I love the vibes for sure, and I think you got a nice tone to your voice. Like the vocal is kind of like really low and hard to hear, but you know, I guess that kind of gives it the cool raw vibe that it has. But yeah, man, keep grinding, Jay Slow. All right, guys, we